Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to tell some of the important information in angel booking application. So most of the people are not aware lot of tools in angel booking application. We have charts and most of the people are not utilizing the chart because they are not aware about how we can utilize the chart. Some of them are following some of the advisories or blindly trading by seeing going up or down and end they will lose money. So today I am going to explain how you can become your own boss without even depending anyone, how you can make money by using intraday charts. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and share to your friends. So let us come to the topic. So let us take an example today Pidilite India. Pidilite Industries Limited. You can see here Pidilite Limited Industries. So how to use chart? So first of all, when you want to use a chart, you can see here there are like once you click on the Pidilite Industries, it will show you some of the options like how to buy, sell, option chain, chart and more. So you can click on chart, so it will be leading to the chart page. So it will be directly leading to the chart page. So here you can see the chart. So once you open the chart, it will be like this only. You will not able to identify where to buy, where to exit. So most of the people will be seeing like green candle, like here you can see the green candle. So suddenly we'll take an entry and we don't know where to exit. So that is some important things in using chart. So always by seeing green candle, never should take entry. So always you have to be careful while taking entry. So I am going to explain how we can utilize the chart. So today, like today is it, as per today's date, I am going to show you how we have taken an entry. So you can see the timing here, like every minute you can change the chart like based on the time, like how you want to observe the chart. Like 1 minute is there, 2 minute chart is there, 3 minute chart is there. Based on that you can set the chart. And down you can see for 1 day, 5 day, 1 month. So however you want you can set the chart. So right now you can see this is a 5 minute chart. So if you want to see the 1 minute chart, you can change to 1 minute chart. And you can see the timing here. So each day there will be timing. So from 9:15 onwards the chart will be running. So here you can see today's date. Today is 26th May. So the chart is starting from 26th May 2020. So let us see how to take an entry. So by seeing this chart of today's chart, you will not get any entry point, because you can see starting with some 2 to 3 candles of green, again one red candle, again green, again red. So we will not be knowing where to take an entry. So by seeing, like you may be taking the entry of after so many green candles, suddenly red will come, you will may exit. So how I am going to tell you how we can take an entry using based on chart. So normally I also provide some of the calls like recommendations based on chart. You can join my channel. This is my like free tips. Okay, normally I provide tips to this channel. So you can join to this channel. I'll be giving the link on description. So you can click on the description channel link and you can join to this group, and you can get the demo on daily basis. You will be getting demo where you can trade based on the chart. So today I have given in the group, I have given Pidilite Industries buy above 410. So how I have given the entry, that is a major important things. See, most of the people will not be able to take the entry on exact entry. So how I have given the exact entry point. So just let us see. So today I have given the entry point as 1410. So how I have given this point. So that is an important thing. So let us see the chart. So let us see Pidilite Industries. So the entry will be, see, I have given the entry nearby here. So how I was able to give that entry point? So let us see. So normally I will be setting some of the technical analysis in the chart. So by seeing a blank chart, you will not get any ideas. So how I am going to set my chart? So normally I have already set my channels. So you can see these are the chart I already set to my account. So once I click, all the chart will be open. So you have to click some separate value to the channels. Sorry, some separate value to the chart. So based on that chart, it will be opening. So first of all, I will show you the symbol chart. So this is the symbol chart where there is no graph or no lines. Only the candles will be there. So based on these candles, you will not be able to take any trade. So second thing I will show you based on the lines. Okay, some of the lines how we can take a trade. So this is the chart where we have taken an entry. So you can see the chart here how we have taken the entry. So let us see how we have taken the entry. Okay, this is the chart. So you can see the time. So what time I have given the call. So I have given the call around 9:20. You can see here it is around 9:20 I have given the call. See, you can see around 9:20. This is the red line is the trend line. So once the red line is crossed, the other two line like you can see the blue and green, you can take the entry. See here around 9:30 you can see the around 9:30 you can see here the red line is crossed both other lines. So suddenly you can take an entry. So as soon as the lines both lines are crossed above the red line, suddenly you can go and place an order, and your stop loss should be around 10 point is more than enough, because you can see like as soon as the other two lines are going up, it is not even coming down below the red line. It means you can keep a stop loss just below the red line. If the red line is crossing, you can exit immediately because there is no use of waiting. So that is a simple technique where you can make money. This is one of the important method, and this method you have to utilize like after 9:30 only you have to place order. Like after once the market open around 9:15, wait another 5 minutes, then immediately you can place an order. So like if the price is like if the candles are below the red line, you can place an order in advance because it has to cross the line. Only if the line is crossing, then only you have to place an order. So by seeing that it is coming nearby the red line, immediately what you can do, you can place an advance order. So once as soon as it crosses the line, it will execute the order. Then you have to keep the stop loss. So this is how you can take an order. So you can see here, you can see around 9:20 it has executed. In my channel also you can see around 9:23 the call was active because it was executed around 9:1410. So it was executed around the given range, and it started moving up. Here you can see how, see, it is not even going below the red line. So there is no required to exit the positions. See, again coming to the points, I was given the target of 1422, and it was achieved. See, here you can see within 1 hour the target is achieved. and you can see how I have done. See, the target is achieved, and you can see the profit also here. See, I have purchased 150 shares at 4110, and I have exited at 10 points profit. So now I got around 1500 rupees profit. So that is how you can make easily profit. So major thing, you have to wait, you have to read the chart, and you have to understand. You can observe one more chart. I'll show you one more chart. This is another chart where you are using only the red line. See, you can see the red line. Only if you see the red line, it is not even breaking the red line. If only is breaking red line, then only we have to exit. Otherwise, you can hold the position till end. And you can see here, you can see what is the high and low of that day. See, if you see the Pidilite Industries, the high was 1439. So almost 30 points up. So just imagine how much profit you are going to get from that. So this is one of the easy method where you can make money without depending anyone. Only thing is that you have to learn and understand the chart. So that is one of the major things in angel broking applications. Not only in angel broking application, any application, you have to read the chart, you have to study the chart, then only you have to take trade. Without knowing the market, now should not do any trade. So this is like very important things. And in my next videos, I'll be sharing you how to set the chart and how we can make money. So kindly subscribe to my channel, and also enable the bell icon to get my next videos. Also share to your friends, so that it will be very helpful for you to improve your improve your trading techniques, and you can make your own boss. That is a major important thing. Should not depend upon anyone. So kindly share to your friends, and if you have any doubt, you can comment. Thank you for watching.